You can absolutely smell it. It's so pungent. It's absolutely lovely. And I've just found a spot which is kind of like free from animals. So there's no like dogs or anything like that could possibly get down there. It's just a little stream just down by this path. Quite typically see these flowers. They've got like 6 little prongs, and it's really quite typical of wild garlic. And just one key indication of it is you can see these lines that come up either side, and we turn it around, there's a clear line that runs through the middle stem of the plant. You do have to be careful. There is a plant that looks like this. I've not ever come across it, but the clear indication of this is just rolling it up and smelling it. Oh wow, and that's quite typical of garlic. Best thing to do is just pick the younger leaves just underneath, and then I'm going to take that home and make some good little recipes out of this, especially under such difficult times. You know, foraging, I could not recommend it more. You know, and garlic is quite a superfood to have. Yeah, it tastes great on its own. I think it'd go great in a salad. You could cut it up or just put it whole, you know. Tastes amazing. Also, something else I've learned from a fellow YouTuber is to pickle them. The best time to do this is in spring, but before they've actually flowered. When you come to them like this, you can actually pick these heads here like that, and you can actually pickle these, which is another really good tip. So I'm going to have a go at doing that as well. So you can see here, just you can see right down by the river. This is kind of like this is really where it likes to grow. It's likes damp and sheltered, shadowy kind of like areas. It really thrives. So this is kind of like the really key area to find. So what we're going to do is we're just going to pick the lower leaves. Done quite a bit of good foraging down here. A lovely little spot. Yeah, so I've been quite picky with these leaves. I've picked the lower of the plant where it's really fresh. You see here, I'm quite a picky picker. So yeah, I'm looking forward to getting these back and experimenting. This is a new thing to me, picking wild garlic. Would really like to thank some of the other YouTubers like Petra, who has inspired me. Other foragers in the UK, it's great to network and build up a kind of community to inspire us all in these difficult times, and I think you can quite lawfully pick some wild plants whilst on your one walk a day. You know, just get out, and while you're en route, just pick some nettle, some wild garlic and dandelions, you know, the heads, the leaves. And I'm quite looking forward to roaming into the mushroom territory. But no, step by step, I'm learning with you, and hopefully this is inspiring you to do what I've done and go out and get some fresh air. And there's nothing better than getting some really good flora into your lungs. It's, you know, really scientifically proven, you know, getting out into the woods and breathing in all that good bacteria. You know, we're living in a time when people are living too clean and sterilising everything and clean everything, and just don't forget, you know, good bacteria is very important. Looking forward to getting your feedback, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my show. It's a labour of love and passion, this. Really hoping you're enjoying this as much as I am.